Nani? What are we doing now, Nani?
We're rescuing a caterpillar because it ate all of our milkweed.
We didn't have much.
We have none left.
And we're trying to get back to butterflies. Okay, buddy. So, let's see if we can go find some milkweed, Nani, while supper is sitting literally on the stove.
Yep. Things we do.
Things we do. Nani's going to check for milkweed. Let's see if I can get, there we go. Monarch caterpillar. We're going to see if we can find you some good milkweed, Bubba. This is why you need more little butterfly gardens around your schools. Okay guys, this is going to turn into a public service announcement. Plant milkweed. We've been through our 2 family members. They don't have any milkweed this year. We've been to 2 elementaries with quote unquote butterfly gardens, but no milkweed. Herbs, but no milkweed. Passion vine. And so now we're trying one more location. He's on to you now. So, but yeah, plant more milkweed. Right, Nani? Mm-hmm. Nani's Googling milkweed, I guess.
What to do when you run out.
Oh. So we did all that driving, never found any milkweed, and so it was probably about 45 minutes after all that. We ended up bringing it right back home so I could eat the rest of these stems. So the moral of the story, plant more milkweed. Hey friends and family, I am out here waiting on Phoebe to show up, and so I figured that was a good time to talk about squash. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is the rest of a Tromboncino squash that we pulled from the garden last, I'm gonna say September. It was late in the season. It may have been as early as August. This thing has been laying in the house in air conditioning, and it was about that long, so about 24 inches, 20 to 24 inches. This was a small one. And we're cleaning off some things, and this has been an experiment. I wanted to see how long this thing would store. Well, I just cut into it. It is May the 2nd, May the 3rd, and it's still moist inside. You got good viable seeds in there. And then this is the neck. Now, they tell us when these things are growing during the year that this neck part, because it grows out and then forms a big bulb on the end, kind of like a big gourd, a big long gourd. But this neck part is supposed to be like zucchini when it's fresh. But this part, I was very surprised to see that it's not terribly hard, and it smells like butternut. So after several months of laying on the shelf, not necessarily in a cool place, but not in a cool dark place, but just in regular AC ambient room temperature, this thing has stored really, really well. The good thing about Tromboncino squash is it has a solid vine for the plant, so the squash vine borer cannot get into that hollow space and ruin your plant like zucchinis or summer squash. This one has a solid vine. Now these things do grow on a vine similar to watermelons. Yeah, I guess it's like watermelons, but I cannot talk. Cucumbers, what I'm trying to say, they grow like cucumbers. The squash can get sometimes up to 4 feet, 5 feet long, huge under right conditions. So, but I thought I'd let you guys know those things store really well, and we're not going to be tasting this one. We're going to be taking seeds, but we'll be having to update with some taste tests up here in the near future. So, and then, yeah, we need Phoebe to come on. Come on, Phoebe. It's early May. Need to get you in the house up there and let you join your friends in Grinsonby. Just so you know, we're not hypocrites. We did plant some milkweed from some, what is it called? Antelope horns from the farm. I've had them in shade too long. They're a little bit leggy, so we're gonna have to try another thing. But these are native Texas or native milkweed plants. So we are trying to get some milkweed going, and we'll have to start doing some plant videos, I guess. But our little milkweed has come back after our friend, and nobody else has hit it. And we're at the end of June, so we'll see. We'll see if we get another friend. So, as always, we love seeing you guys. Hope you guys enjoy the videos, and leave us comments. And we love y'all, and we'll see you outside.